This how to 1 minute will show you how to add custom error pages in cPanel. First of all, log into your cPanel and scroll down. Under Advanced section, you will get this error pages option. So click on it. Now click on this domain drop down and select the domain you want to create an error page for. Now here you will get some error page template. You can edit any of them. So I'm going to editing 404 not found error page. And here you can easily enter your text to edit the error page. You can add referring URL, visitors IP address, requested URL, server name, visitors browser, and redirect status code. Then make sure to click on save, and this is how we can create error page in cPanel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.